Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Help Guy. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for a restaurant menu using two applications. The applications we're going to use are Microsoft or Google Forms rather, and we're also going to use Canva. So how this works is first, if you're going to make a menu, for this one, I'm only using Forms because I'm not familiar with designing web pages, but later on, I'll show you how that works as well. But for now, let's stick with this one. Let's say you're a startup restaurant and you want to create a menu, right? Well, you can use Forms for that. Let's say here, we'll have a menu right here, restaurant menu. And then here, let's say this is your address. And let's say this is overall the menu. Let's just pretend that's the menu. So you want to publish this. And then once you hit publish, what you want to do now is you want to click on share, this button right here. And then copy corresponder link. Now, how you want to do this is with Canva. On the left side, on the utility box of Canva, you want to scroll down to apps and then go down again to popular. And then you'll see here QR code. Now, what this does for you is you can enter your URL there and you can generate the code. You can also customize it to however you want. So we're sticking with the original, background color, white and black, or if your theme, let's say your restaurant color is blue, let's say this blue, and then let's say a bit of a yellow, let's say it's a fine dining restaurant, let's have it there and then generate your code, and that's it. That's how you can create a QR code using Google Forms and Canva. Now, as I was saying earlier, if you have a menu, let's say online restaurant menu, let's say you have an available menu online. Let's say this one. Let's type in a restaurant here. Let's say Olive Garden menu. Let's say this is the menu. Now, how you want to do this is you want to, of course, copy the URL and then just paste it on Canva. Once that's done, let's remove this first. Once that's done, just go back here. Let's put it back to black and white, and it creates a URL for you. So really all you need is a link, a URL, and Canva. If you want to upgrade the background color, foreground color, I think you'll need a subscription to Canva, like what I have, a premium. But if not, then definitely you can use Canva to create your own QR code. That's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and of course the subscribe button. We appreciate your support so much in this channel and expect us to make more videos only here on Help Guy.